No one ever said that with the onion you can do these miraculous things. Awesome! First of all, you should know that onion is part of the family of vegetables and herbs, which also includes chives, garlic, chives and leeks. And allium vegetables have been cultivated for centuries, not only for its characteristics, spicy flavors, but also for its medicinal properties. The onion contains high amounts of antioxidants like quercetin, relieving the body of free radicals and preserving your health. Onions can be easily juiced and consumed as such, help with respiratory diseases due to their cleanliness of nature. Onions are good for the treatment and prevention of many different health problems, such as treatment and prevention of cardiovascular diseases. Very effective in the treatment of arthritis. This will help you regulate high cholesterol levels. It can help with diabetes because of its sulfur and flavonoid content. Skin disorders. Look at what other things you can use. 1. Colic. First of all, you should know that the Cherokee Indians used this powerful ingredient for treating children suffering from colic. Just use sliced yellow onion and boil it in water. Allow the liquid to cool and drain. You should give 1 teaspoon of this remedy to your baby every hour, or until symptoms disappear. 2. Eliminate chest congestion. You can also use the onion to dissolve the chest congestion. Here is what you need to do. Just mix a crushed onions and a little coconut oil. It forms a paste and is used for the smear on the chest. After that, you should put a towel on top of it and put on a shirt. Keep it until warm, and then remove the towel and rinse. You will be amazed by the results. 3. Fever. It's very simple, you just cut the onion into very thin pieces. Then, you should mix it with coconut oil and use this massage from the bottom of your feet. After that, you should put a few slices of onion on the feet of the bows and secure with plastic film. Put the socks on and let the onion overnight. You should also know that this remedy is a great antioxidant. Note, the World Health Organization is a strong supporter of the use of onion in the case of bronchitis, cough, congestion, infections, colds